The mobile workforce is fast approaching 2 billion people, doing business everywhere, demanding access and continuity to everything, every second of the day and night. We need a new kind of mobile phone for a new mobile reality. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S9, the phone reimagined. Because being mobile means juggling many jobs at once, Galaxy S9's seamless multitasking lets you keep up to speed. And with Samsung DeX technology, we've reimagined the work phone to give you a PC-like experience the moment you plug in DeXPad, giving you drag and drop capability, contextual menus, and resizable windows, not to mention a great presentation. In a fast-moving world, the Galaxy S9 makes sure nothing slows you down. Live translation lets you instantly make sense of the world around you. And because we've reimagined the camera, AR readiness means the AR technology is literally open and ready for business. So apps can be developed and customized as your people need them. Apps themselves can be paired quickly and easily together, giving you convenient shortcuts. And since the Galaxy S9 is water resistant, it keeps on working come rain or come shine. Built from the chip up with multiple layers of security, Samsung Knox is our defense-grade security platform. With enhanced biometrics, Intelligent Scan instantly recognizes you, letting you unlock your phone with just a glance or a touch. And the Galaxy S9 wisely separates business data from personal data, so you're protected even if your phone should ever fall into the wrong hands.